Today I'm going to talk a topic which is very dear to my heart, financial statement analysis. I actually always say that there is nothing called as financial statement analysis. Instead, it should be business analysis through financial statements, because that is exactly what we are doing. We are not analyzing financial statements, we are analyzing the business. And to analyze the business, one of the toolkit that we have is financial statements. Now, before we even think about all these things, what are things that we need to know, let me tell you a few things. Or let me set the expectations clear. Now think of this. I'm talking to you, and there are few ideas in my mind which I want to share with you. And now to share these ideas, what do I use? I use English as a language. Right? I use English as a language. You understand English. I can speak English, and because of this, you are able to understand the ideas that I want to share with you. Now, interpersonal communication is not the only communication that we have. Even businesses communicate. It is not only two people who always communicate, even businesses communicate with people. And the way businesses communicate with people is through financial statements. A thorough understanding of financial statements will help you understand what is really going on in the business. So now see, think of it this way. To analyze a business, there are multiple ways in which you can analyze. You can directly talk to the management team, you can talk to the dealers or distributors of the company, you can read about the business and all these things you can do. Or instead, a much easier and a much less expensive way of doing this is to read the report cards, right? To read the financial statements. And now, one more thing that you understand, you need to understand this. Just like human beings lie, even businesses. Everything in financial statements is important. And that is where the art comes into picture. You have to look at a financial statement like an investigator. You have to understand the financial statements. First, be assured that what you see is right. And once you know that, through financial statements, try to understand the results. Now, there are three different report cards that you have: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Now, what does the income statement convey? Income statement tells you how much a business has earned, or the revenue less the expenses and the profit over a period of time. Now, this could be a 3-month period, a 6-month period, a 9-month period, or a 1-year period. Then there is a balance sheet. Now, what does a balance sheet show, or what does a balance sheet convey about the business? Balance sheet is as of a particular date. It tells you what are the assets owned by the company, what are the liabilities, and what is the shareholders' equity or the net worth. Now, that is what a balance sheet tells you. And then there is cash flow statement, a statement that I usually like analyzing about, because a cash flow statement is not based on accrual principle. A cash flow statement tells you the cash that is coming in, the cash that is going out. Where is the cash coming in from? Is it through operations, or is it through issuing different instruments? Right? A cash flow statement tells you how much cash the business is generating, how much of it is being reinvested back into the business, and how much of it is paid to the capital providers in the form of dividends, in the form of debt repayment, or in the form of buyback. Now, all three financial statements together tell you a lot about the business. The entire course on financial statement analysis, or like I said, business analysis through financial statements, is about understanding a business through financial statements. Thank you.